Ki Pulit yung East Castle District mata kila penlong ke Jingtohkit ke Shah ada ke juga poru kila penkrep ban Chargesheet ya ki sangut ki khot dengan seng Khasi Student Union ki bala syak kam ka beri bak jing jah po Ishamati bar kumjuru ka beri bak jing jah mauro la ban ke hang ni ba sangut ki khot dengan seng ke isu kontup ya ki angut na po suara circle ki syak kam ki Pulit ka beri bak jing syak penyap jeng ki angut ke mendari hapo Ishamati hanu benai ubaladep kat ba uwe pat ukhat ula syak kam ka beri bak jing jah mauro ka baginang bala barjela ki syak penyap ha ka tekisno Superintendent of Police East Castle District Rituraj Ravi udah tu mana kelang Pulit kelap pengkreat ia kini ke Jingtohkit ke bahasa Isya berkum juru ke pendap ke Chargesheet ke por ke Biang ke Chargesheet kembut ke duk kembut Jingtoh dan ke rekod ke bubuk ke Pulit ke Jingtoh ha ke beri ke Jingtoh ke bekam seniu ke balik ke duk ke beri ke bahasa Kam maka ni ke Chargesheet kalau si bentah ke taban rak ke Pulit ha ke beri man bisyari kini kita khot bahasa Kam bisyar suai bekal
After that, no more. Shamati and the one case at Moro, they are under investigation, and we are making all efforts to expedite the investigation and to ensure that the charge sheet in all these three cases is filed within the time frame.
So, is there any more arrests you are doing?
No, after the last arrest that I updated you, after that, no more arrest in these cases. So in Ichamati cases, 4, in Moro case 1, total 5.
Hakabedi pat baka kes kini syakam joki langut kibriu. Hakabedi baka jing spensap tiang ya kawai ke dur baklam akau jakoi ke samla. Nang ba shalong nak liang jong SP oleh tu ba langut ki syakam kat ba wepan ula ada ka counter FIR ba uniu di juvenile ni khana ba po ka prasnem bakala dandru kam bukot demar na kes ka rai na kemat jong yang besar jong hasil Utama District Council ba je kene nak liang joki Pulit kila challenge ni kila ujar kelapat apa yang besar High Court.
So regarding that case, 3 arrests were made, and one regarding one of the accused, the matter is sub judice pending in Honorable High Court, and the counter FIR that was filed by the then juvenile, we have registered that case also, and the investigation of that is also on.
Why this?
It was one order was passed from here, from the District Council Court, and we have challenged that. So it's pending.
So this is the
Yes.
The bill was granted to the juvenile.
Yes.
You are challenging that.
Yes.
That to cancel the bill.
We are challenging on the merits of that particular order. And since the matter is sub judice, I will not be commenting on that. Let's see whatever the outcome of that is.